Abhishek. My teammate name is R. Arunkumar and our project name is IoT focused yearly landslide detection in high risk zones. Project function is detailing. First of all, we are see components of in our project. It's our soil moisture sensor. This is the guilt sensor and vibration sensor. This is the guilt sensor and this is the vibration sensor using to the Arduino USB 32 and breadboard. Teammates tell about the function of the project.
Then we can see the functions of our project. First we must create the Firebase in websites that will have the soil moisture condition and tilt condition and vibration condition of in the graph method. Then the ESP32 and the website will be connected with the Wi-Fi that will transfer the signal to through the websites. The customer will get the waveform signal through the website. They will give the tilt sensor and the soil moisture sensor will be reading automatically. When the signal will be transferred risk zone, they will give the normal call to the customer's mobile phone. This is the function of our project.
Then we can see the final output of the project.